Hello everyone. Hope all are doing good. Am I clear? Audible?
Okay.
Last session, we all go through that PPT and understood. Yes, let me recap what we have done in the last session so that we'll have that continuity. Let me know once my screen is visible. So what we did last session, we saw what prompt engineering is. Okay. With a very interesting example of pizza, ordering pizza. What we saw is if you don't give proper order, you won't get the proper output, that is proper pizza. Okay, so you need to have some clarity in your order, like what is it, what is that exactly you are looking for. Okay, the prompt should have clarity, the prompt should have specificity, context and length, proper length. Okay, so we also saw why all these metrics are very important to get the proper output from the AI models. Correct. So what is clarity? Clarity is how easy your request is to understand. So we saw the examples, different examples. Specificity, like what all details you can include so that you get the exact output. We saw context. What is the context? You are giving some background information, like for the model to understand what is that exactly you're looking for. Then length. What should be the ideal length for your prompt? It should not be too short, not too long. Concepts of prompt engineering, correct? Like structured output, constraints, chain of thought prompting, zero shot, one shot, few shot prompting. What exactly is structured output? Telling the AI model that whenever you are giving an output, give it in the form of a list, bullet points, or a table format, or in a downloadable document format. And you are also giving some constraints, like how it should be. What is that length? What is the complexity that it should consider? What is the tone and style? And what's the format? We also saw respective examples. We saw a technique called chain of thought prompting, where we are telling the model to give the output in a step-by-step format. And we also saw zero shot, one shot, few shot prompting techniques. So that is what we learned in our previous session. Okay. For the details, you can just revise that session so that you'll get more clarity on it. So what is the conclusion we saw? We derived that our output is as good as our input. Okay. This is what we saw in the last session. Now coming to, this is all prompt engineering, correct? Now, where are you giving these prompts? You're giving this prompts to the AI models, like ChatGPT is one of it, right? Gemini is another, right? Grok. Then you have many other models, right? So today we will understand prompt engineering using ChatGPT. What are all these options? Okay, so let's see what all these options. Like ChatGPT is not just answering, taking your instructions and giving you output. It's not just that. It is highly advanced tool that you can leverage to get any kind of help. To start with, what is this new chat? New chat is whenever you are starting your chat session, you click on this. So it will give you a chat window like this, and whatever you enter here will be added as a new chat. Okay, you added this. So this is your chat. So that these chat you can see in your chat section. Okay, here named, your chat will be named with whatever enter, few characters what you enter in the beginning, that chat will be named with that. So you can rename it, like say for example this chat session only learning about prompt engineering, okay, and nothing else. So you can rename it as learning prompt engineering. Okay, you can go to this three dots and click on rename and give a proper name to it, so that you won't get confused. In this chat session, you are learning about prompt engineering. And in another chat session, like say, for example, in this chat session, what is artificial intelligence? Okay. So I'm learning in this chat window session, I'm learning only about artificial intelligence. So I'll rename this as learning artificial intelligence. So I'm renaming this so that it will be more organized way, and I will be aware like which session talks about which concept, right? So that I'll not have one session learning prompt engineering, learning AI, learning ML, everything in one session. So it gets confused and it will be very difficult to organize, manage it. तो उसको मैनेज करने के लिए each chat session I will rename accordingly. तो मुझे इजी हो जाएगा समझने में कि ओके लर्निंग प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग, अगर मैं यहाँ पे कुछ भी प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग के बारे में सीखना है So I'll go to this chat session and I'll give the instructions in this. कुछ भी artificial intelligence के बारे में सीखना है तो I'll go here and give instructions. So it will be in a more organized format. So this is your chats. Whatever you write here, it will go to your chat. You can also create projects where you, whatever projects like for prompt engineering, I want to do enhance advanced learning on prompt engineering. I want to create projects. I want to add all the work that I have done related to prompt engineering. I want to put it in this project. So I can go and create a project with name by name as prompt engineering. How do you do that? You go to project and you give name. Like for example, prompt engineering. Okay. So category, you can even select some categories and matching and just create the project. So it will create a project as prompt engineering, like the one I have created here. Similarly, P, that is my project. This is kind of a folder where all my work related to prompt engineering will go in. Say for example, this one, I don't want to maintain it in a separate chat. I will put this in. Okay. So whatever learning or chat sessions I will open for with respect to prompt engineering, I will be able to put it in the folder P, that is prompt engineering. All the sessions, all the learnings, all the chats with respect to artificial intelligence will go to my project called AI Skills Learning Academy, and I'll put all the sessions, all the chat sessions here. So this is a better way of organizing your chats in the respective project. So based on the this folder prompt engineering, this is where general queries like say for example, this prompt is, I'll rename it as general queries on prompt engineering. Okay, I create one more chat as projects in PE, something like this. Okay, so it will create one more chat. Whatever projects I'm doing in prompt engineering, that will fall in projects chat session window. Okay, these are all general queries. So like this, I can organize in a more better way. So P will be my folder, and all my chat sessions will fall in P. So here also I can categorize like based on my requirement, chat sessions. Okay, so that's how you can manage the projects and chats, your chats section. Search chat, as the name suggests. If I want to search specific chat session, it's very like as you go on using it and get organize it in a folder and different chat windows and sessions, right? It will be difficult for you to scroll and find out what exactly you're looking for. So this search chat will be handy for you to search that particular chat session. So you can type in something here, like some text which you are specifically looking, prompt engineering. Okay, so when you search for specific text like projects, like if you have done working on some project, you want to find where is that project exactly, session exactly, just enter that here. It will list out all the sessions matching to this word. So you just click on that, it will directly take you to that chat session. Now images, you can add, this is a new feature which got added. Images is, you can create images. Say for example, I want to create a professional job photo. Okay, like this is one only picture I have, so I'll open this. Okay, it will directly give me prompt to change this picture into a professional looking picture, right? So it will generate an image. It will start generating an image based on your style and your requirement. Whatever photo you give, like if you are given a casual photo and you want to change that look to a professional looking photo, then you can just give that, and this prompt will be taken, will be pre-built, and it will be applied, and it will start creating a picture. I don't know how it will come out, so we'll just wait how it is. Don't laugh. Okay, see. So like this, what it has done, it has taken my photo from this picture, any random picture where your photo is there, and it will convert it into a professional looking photo. Good, right? So like that, you can use all these styles of images, like portrait style if you want, or if you want to have a cartoon style, all those you can just use and apply. Similarly here, in the morning I had created one more with which will change my entire attire. See, like this. So you give whatever image, you select the style, and it will convert your image into a style like that. Got it? Okay. Did anyone try this earlier?
Actually, I tried this in Google Gemini.
Gemini, yes. Okay. So that is images. What are apps? GPT क्या कर रहा है अभी? Different apps. It is allowing you to connect with different apps. Right? Canva is used for designing. Lovable is for website building apps and website. Replit for coding and all. All these are used. Right? So you can connect to these third-party websites also. ChatGPT to Canva. So for that, you need to connect. You need to connect and add your credentials. If you have Canva credentials, add those credentials and try to connect it. So your ChatGPT will connect directly to Canva. Okay, you can connect to Teams. You can connect to Zoom meetings. You can connect to Notion, all the Slack, all these other applications you can connect. So that's what is apps. Right? Atlas is, see, what is Atlas? We'll try Atlas. Atlas is a new feature. So normally क्या होता है, जब भी हम चैट जीपीटी में कुछ भी प्रॉम्प्ट देते हैं तो इट विल गिव इफ सपोज एनी link, external link, if I'm asking for connect to the browser and verify myself, right? So it will give you that browser link, right? So वो link लेके मुझे browser में जाके paste करना पड़ता था to find out the content of it. What Atlas will do, it will directly connect to the browser. It is asking you to download, so you need to download and then run it. Okay, in ChatGPT Atlas, so if you paste this prompt and run it, it will give you all the roadmap, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, all those things. Okay, but what is the point to note here is, along with this, ये output के साथ साथ normally ChatGPT अगर कोई reference link होता तो it used to give me reference link, वो link को copy करके मुझे browser window में paste करना पड़ता था normally, right? So what Atlas will do, it will give you an option here directly. Okay, so it will give you all the relevant browser based information where you can go and enhance or dig deep into that topic. I don't have to copy this content and paste in a browser. It will give me an option tab here for browser itself. It not only browser, not only Google links, it will give you YouTube links also where you can go and learn, right? So easy, comfortable. At last, what it will give me, whatever roadmap it has generated, it will give me the respective links also. Like if I click on this, it will give me directly go to that YouTube video.
Here's how developers at Perplexity.
So it's that easy. Okay. So it will give me links, it will give me images respect to this, with respect to this prompt, what all images can be there, and videos, what all videos, relevant videos that I can go and refer. All those things, all are news. It will give me news article, everything here. Easy, right? Easy reference. Okay, that is Atlas. So you saw that is the beauty of Atlas. Any doubt in this? You are able to understand, right? Okay. It has also got a feature of group chat. Okay. So what it does, group chat, when you say new chat, ये chat window open होता है. There is an option for start a group chat. So if you start a group chat, it will give you a link. You can copy this link and you can share it with your group. Can you all join that link if you have it? I've shared you this morning, today morning. मैं सुबह में share किया है. उस link पे click करो. That is for this group chat. Sabha join the group. Okay, you can create a group chat. Okay, where see Hafiz restaurant. What is basically it is doing is एक group बनाता है with all the intended audience. ठीक है, वहाँ पे we can communicate, and if I want ChatGPT will also be part of this group. Okay, so if I want ChatGPT to respond, I need to add add ChatGPT and please welcome new members to the group. So if I ask ChatGPT, जब तक मैं देखो it has welcomed Sabah, Hafiz and Saleh because these three joined. How it knew? Only three joined. So it is welcoming you all. Right? So if I want ChatGPT to respond in this group, so I need to mention add ChatGPT. Then only it will respond. Otherwise, it will not respond. ठीक है? When you want to prompt also, अगर हमारे group में कुछ भी आपको, if you want to prompt ChatGPT, then you also have to type add ChatGPT and give your instruction. ये इसको हम लोग directly disable भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे if why I have disabled this is because जब भी हम हाई बोलेंगे तो वो भी रेस्पॉन्ड करना स्टार्ट करेगा तो टोकन यूज हो जाता है. सो आई हैव डिसेबल्ड दिस response of ChatGPT. How I have disabled response of ChatGPT for every prompt. यहाँ पे customize ChatGPT. यहाँ पे मैंने उसको बोला है, ठीक है, I have customized this. I have told we are a AI learning assistant for a student study group focused on artificial intelligence and AI automation tools. So your role is to support learning, planning and collaboration at the beginner to intermediate level. मैंने उसको रोल डिफाइन किया है, उसका पर्पस डिफाइन किया है, ठीक है, और उसका पर्सनालिटी एंड टोन कैसे उसको रेस्पॉन्ड करना है. कीप द रेस्पॉन्स कंसाइज, क्लियर एंड प्रोफेशनल. ठीक है, और एक्सप्लेनेशन सिंपल होना चाहिए, प्रैक्टिकल एग्जांपल्स होने चाहिए. ओके, ये सारे मैंने इंस्ट्रक्शंस ChatGPT को दिया है. ओके, स्टूडेंट फ्रेंडली होना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो हमारा ये ग्रुप का गोल क्या है? गोल भी आई हैव सेट डिफाइन. What is the goal of this group? Okay, so it will be weekly study group sessions. Okay, concentrating on AI and automation. Then इसका सारा assist with study agenda, discussion prompts and all those things. Okay, इसका assistance चाहिए हमको. Okay, answer any questions related to AI concept, workflow and real world applications. इसको मैंने बोला है कि कोई भी क्वेश्चन हम इसके रिलेटेड पूछेंगे तो you need to answer with that tone and details. Okay, and response style क्या होना चाहिए? Summarize long link articles and resources before responding. और बुलेट पॉइंट्स में देना चाहिए उसको आउटपुट, और स्टेप बाय स्टेप गाइडेंस करना है. ओके, शॉर्ट सेक्शन, लेंथी पैराग्राफ में शॉर्ट में. ओके, बुलेट पॉइंट. ओके, हाईलाइट की टेक अवेज एंड एक्शन आइटम्स. ये सारा मैंने उसको सेट किया है इंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, सो assumption क्या है? ये ग्रुप किस specific to this group is for the students who are from the mixed technical background. Okay, who are the participants? They are focused on practical learning with no code or low code experience. So this ChatGPT should use no code or low code tools. ठीक है, तो ये सारा मैंने उसको instructions दिया है. there is more to it. So इसको मैंने क्या बोला है? Also never respond unless anyone in the group mentions add ChatGPT for you to respond. ठीक है, और यहाँ पे मैंने respond automatically ऑफ किया है. ठीक है, अगर मैं इसको ऑन करती हूँ, ओके, ChatGPT will respond to new messages automatically. इसको मैं सेव कर, ठीक है, तो automatic response is enabled. So if you type something, okay, ChatGPT will also start taking it as a prompt. We are learning prompt engineering today. ओ, मैंने इसको इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया है ना, रेस्पॉन्ड ओनली करके. ओके, आई हैव टू रिमूव दैट. नेवर रेस्पॉन्ड. सेव. We are learning prompt engineering today. Okay. तो ये क्या करता है? हर एक इंस्ट्रक्शन, whatever we are chatting, it will start responding to everything. We don't want it because हम लोग communicate जब करते हैं एक दूसरे से, we don't want ChatGPT to respond. ऐसे हो तो हाय बोलने पे भी वो respond करेगा, कैसे हो बोलने पे भी वो respond करेगा, है ना? तो इसीलिए इसको कस्टमाइज ChatGPT करके यहाँ पे वो इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया है कि डोंट रेस्पॉन्ड, या ये सिंपली ये टॉगल ऑफ कर दो, ऑटोमेटिक रिस्पॉन्ड ऑफ कर दो, सेव करो, देन इट वोंट रेस्पॉन्ड. तो ये सिर्फ यू पीपल विल रेस्पॉन्ड. ChatGPT won't respond to this message. You got this message, you can respond. Okay, see now you can see, right? ChatGPT is not responding. So that's how you can maintain your group chat. It will enable to create a group chat along with ChatGPT. Right? Interesting, easy, no? Very useful tool option. It is a very good learning material here in OpenAI tool itself, OpenAI website. So if you go to this link, okay, ChatGPT, OpenAI, it's from OpenAI, ChatGPT for any role. Okay, so it will give you examples. It will give you ChatGPT for IT, like it will give you many examples for you to learn. Meeting and collaboration. It will give you prompt also. Create a structured agenda for a meeting about topic, and meeting will last for so long hours, like 1 hour, and include the attendance, who are all the attendees, and break the agenda into sections with the time estimates and goal for each section. अगर मैं ये prompt देती हूँ with all the parameters, it will give me, it will create an agenda for me. Okay. Likewise, summarizing the meeting. So it will give you some sample prompts that you can use directly. That's for ChatGPT for any role. Likewise, you have ChatGPT for IT, ChatGPT for managers. Okay, ChatGPT for marketing. Okay, if you go for ChatGPT for IT to see what it is, what it has got. So IT teams are responsible for keeping the system secure, efficient, accessible. Okay, ChatGPT can help them move faster and reduce manual work. How it will do? It will give you some use cases and prompt. Say for example, you are working on cloud technology and you want to compare cloud providers. So if you take this prompt and paste it in your new chat, take the prompt directly, and in say for example use case, you can give use case here, non-production environment. Okay, so enter this prompt, so it will give you details of, and it will compare the, see it is given in a tabular format, correct, which you can directly copy the table and paste in your Excel or wherever you want to copy and paste it. Ready to use prompts, you can modify it according to your requirement also. Okay, so there are many such learning materials. You can explore this to get hands-on different prompts available. So coming back to ChatGPT, so now ChatGPT has got a memory, right? So whatever जो भी हम लोग यहाँ पे store करते हैं in project and chat sessions, okay, whenever you are asking it again, it will retrieve, it will go and refer to the previous chats and what is the context that was set. Okay, if you want to disable that you go to your personalization and you disable the memory. It will not save any output in the memory while responding. If you want to enable it, you can just toggle it and it will start saving all the browser, all the chat instructions, prompts that you are giving, and your chat history, everything it will start saving. And never, one thing you make note, never enter any personal information in the prompts. Okay, so never ever do that. Just ask general queries, general questions. Don't give your personal information ever in any of the chat GPTs. So memory ko enable, disable kar sakte hain. So you can also personalize this further. How? You can give, say for example, you are studying, you are an engineering student. So you can customize your prompt from ChatGPT to your requirement. You can give instruction that I am an engineering student. I am a beginner in artificial intelligence. What is my occupation? Like I'm studying more about you. So what it will help ChatGPT to build that context, that background. Okay, whatever chat sessions that are going to get created henceforth, I should keep in mind that this is for a student. The user is a student. So accordingly, it will start giving you the response. Further personalized कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे about you. Explore GPTs. Okay. So what this Explore GPTs talks about is, it will create a custom version of GPT. Custom versions means, say for example, say if I want the GPT to act as a scholar, I can use this GPT. Okay. There are many other options: productivity, presentation, photorealistic image of generates. All these options are there. So you can take any one of them and customize on top of it AI for medical students. Like for example, if I use this education is, I'm a medical student, how I can leverage AI to do my studies. So if you set this context, AI for medical student, and start chatting, so it will create a window, another session with this context defined. It will always consider that you are a medical student. Based on that, it will give you output. So it will have the context that I am talking to a medical student. So if I'll ask to give me an anatomy step-by-step study guide, it will give me the study guide. Everything it will give me. Week-wise, planning and everything it will give me. Because it has a context. Like this, you can try to explore other GPT options available. These are all pre-built, predefined, or you can create your own with this option, create, and you add your persona. Persona in the sense who you are and what is your career goals, what are you doing right now, what are your aspirations, everything you add there, and what are your end goals, what you want to achieve. All those you can add here and create your own custom GPT. So what GPT will do, it will give you a response according to your customized persona. That is Explore GPTs. So these are all options in ChatGPT. It is not just go here, new chat, and start giving your chat and accumulate everything in your chat section and you're lost already. Organize it in a form of a project. Organize it in a form of, if you want to have a group chat along with ChatGPT, create a group chat. Now coming back to your prompt engineering, the topic which we want to learn. So all these options you learn, but how you can format your prompt, or with all the techniques that you can apply to your prompts to get proper response. Okay, prompt engineering समझाओ, like as if you are talking to a 10-year-old kid or a student. उसका way of explanation will completely change. You see, पहले मैंने जब बोला था what is prompt engineering, उसका response अलग था ना. Now if I am telling what is prompt engineering for a 10-year-old student, then the way it is responding is different. Simple example relate करके देता है. Tell me about animals. Tell me, good prompt is tell me 5 fun facts about dolphins in simple words. Animals बोले तो tell me about animals. कौन सा animal? Which animal? There are many animals, right? That's a bad prompt. So I need to be very specific. So essay, it is trying to explain as if it is explaining to a 10-year-old kid. So if I say, this is what? Complexity. We learned about complexity, right? This is complexity. ठीक है, मैंने उसको क्या बोला? Explain prompt engineering, highlighting the key points. And it should not be more than 100 words. तो 100 words के अंदर ही रखता है response. Here what I am telling, I am defining the length. Next. Give me prompt engineering techniques in a tabular format. Here I am defining the structured output, how I want it to be. It will give me in a table format, which can directly copy. You are seeing your output is as good as your input, correct? So likewise, I need to be very specific in instructing the ChatGPT so that I get the exact and precise output. Okay, let me create a new chat. What I am telling, I am a job seeker looking for a job role as AI engineer. I am new to ChatGPT. How can I use ChatGPT effectively in my job search? Give me a table with the top 5 highly effective use cases and an example prompt for each one. ठीक है, मुझे पता नहीं ChatGPT कैसे यूज करना है. So I am a job seeker. मैं job ढूंढ रही हूँ. I am a AI engineer. किस role में? AI engineer role. So it will. I'm setting the context. If you run this, see it is telling absolutely. Here is a clear table with 5 highly effective ways a job seeker like you can use ChatGPT. मुझे ChatGPT कैसे यूज करना है वो भी बताता है. For landing a AI engineer role along with example prompts to get started immediately. ठीक है. रेज्यूम कैसे ऑप्टिमाइज करना है, कवर लेटर कैसे बनाना है, इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन कैसे करना है, जॉब सर्च स्ट्रैटेजी कैसी होनी चाहिए, मार्केट इनसाइट्स क्या है, एंड स्किल गैप एंड एनालिसिस एंड लर्निंग पाथ. एवरीथिंग इट विल गिव यू along with the example prompt it will give you. क्योंकि मैंने उसको बोला है I am new to ChatGPT. I don't know how to write prompts. So I've asked it to give me the prompt also. So it has given me the prompt. So if I use this directly and paste 10 common, what is the prompt? Give me 10 common AI engineer interview questions and model answers also, right? Include explanation of concepts like neural networks, supervised learning, and NLP, natural language processing. So I'm asking it to give me this output. So it will give you, how many I've asked? I've asked 10. How many it has given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? It has not given you 9, it has not given you 11, it has given you exactly 10 because you have asked for 10. Everything it has given you. What is supervised learning? What is unsupervised learning? What is neural networks? Explain overfitting and how to prevent it. Everything. What is natural language processing? 10 common AI engineer interview questions diya hai, right? So if I want to elaborate more on this, please elaborate more on this question. अगर मैं ऐसे बोलते हूँ, I want to know more about what is supervised learning. इसमें अगर क्रॉस क्वेश्चन आता है तो what are those? तो उसका डिटेल्स चाहिए मुझे. तो if I tell it to elaborate more on this question, what is supervised learning, it will give you in a more detailed way. Only supervised learning के बारे में डिटेल देता है, details. So it is also suggesting what further it can give. It will tell you if you want, I can also make a visual diagram explaining supervised learning versus unsupervised learning, which is great for interviews because it shows conceptual clarity. So if I tell yes, do you want me to do that? So you just type yes. So it will create a visual image for me. It will take some time to generate the image. Okay, now the image is generated. See, supervised versus unsupervised learning. It will give you the image. Labeled data. What is labeled data? Unlabeled data. Very beautifully, it has generated an image for you. You can directly save it, download it for your further reference. Correct? So likewise, you can give a specific prompt to generate specific output, required output. Let's take another exam prompt. Okay. So what I'm asking it to do, I'm setting the role for it. Okay. I'm asking it to act as an AI expert. Okay. Always when you're talking to ChatGPT, give it a role, like as if you are asking to an expert. So you define that role first, right? You tell that, say for example, I'm looking for some recipe. Okay, recipe of Hyderabad biryani, Hyderabadi style biryani. So I'll tell, act as a master chef who is expert in preparing Hyderabad style biryani. I will set the context first, and then I'll ask it to generate a recipe step by step, like that. That's an example. Now here, I want to know about AI. Okay, now I have come to know that there's something. So there's a field called AI. I want to learn it. Okay, to whom I will go and ask it? I'll go and ask the AI expert who is already working on it. Okay, so I don't know anybody in person. So what I will do, I'll go to ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT, you act as an AI expert. Okay, and then help me build a step-by-step AI engineer learning roadmap. Okay, focusing on the key skills that multinational company is looking for in the candidates. Okay, AI engineering पढ़ना, intelligence AI पढ़ना है, लेकिन which skills? जो skill MNC are looking for those skills only you highlight. Okay, do not assume and refer to the job posting to derive at a skill set. इसको assume मत करो, क्योंकि every time when you are asking the ChatGPT, ask it not to assume, because hallucination होता है. Hallucination मतलब what? It will give you false information in a very confident way. तो उसको बोलना है, don't assume, just go and refer the job postings and then give me the skill set. Okay, give me output in the tabular format detailing the key points to cover the skills, and also provide free reference material links in one of the column for easy reference, like that. So if you run this, so it will start, see, it will start giving me all the details step by step. For AI engineer job posting, industry requirement for multinational companies. Here is a practical learning, step-by-step learning roadmap. Okay, so it will give you what skills you need to learn. You need to learn programming. Python is the mostly used. So you learn programming. You learn algorithm building, vector metrics, and all those things. Okay. Along with that, I had asked you to give me reference material, right? So it has given you reference material also, links. Convenient है ना? यहाँ पे copy option है. I can copy the table, entire table, and put it in Excel for my easy reference later. So इतने सारे 10 points उसने list किया है reference material के साथ. It will be very easy, no? यही चीज मुझे अगर Google search में जाके खुद से करना पड़ता तो कितना time लेता? Here how much time I spent? Just one prompt, one clear prompt. So easy. Just give the prompt. It is not taken much time to generate me the entire roadmap along with the reference material. ये सीखने के लिए कौन सा रेफरेंस मटेरियल, ये सीखने के लिए कौन सा रेफरेंस मटेरियल, एवरीथिंग इट हैज गिवन विद इन नो टाइम. हाउ इजी एंड कन्वीनियंट इट इज, राइट? ओके, अगर ये एटलास होता तो यहाँ पे ये सारे लिंक्स भी ओपन होते थे. यहाँ पे you can just toggle between the tab and go to the material also directly. That is how you need to provide your instructions or prompts. So one more very good feature of ChatGPT is this option, voice mode. किसने explore किया है voice mode? So if you go to voice mode, okay, you can select. Okay, say I like this voice. I'm going to chat with this voice. Okay, start a new chat. We don't have to type voice mode में, so you can enable voice mode and keep talking to the ChatGPT agent, voice agent. ठीक है, ये बहुत interesting है. You can ये explore करो. ठीक है, so that is voice mode. Okay, any doubt? I've gone through this. What you do from your end, you try to explore all these options that we learned today. Okay, and try to improvise on your prompts. Like I have shared a prompt engineering guide with you. Okay, तो वो guide में example prompts हैं. You use that exam guide and take those example prompts and try to see what are the outputs you are getting. Explore more and study more on that. Okay, use different prompts and see and analyze the output and improvise on that. Customize your ChatGPT. Okay, go and customize your ChatGPT along. Add a persona to it, or you want, even if you want to create a custom GPTs, go ahead and create custom GPTs. Everything. Okay, if you want to personalize, go here and try all this personalization options. Okay, go through that recording. The resource guide also I have given you. ये resource guide भी एक बार देखो. ओके सिर्फ सेशन अटेंड करके जाना काम नहीं करेगा. ओके यू उसके ऊपर बिल्ड करना है आपका नॉलेज. ओके सो हाउ डिड यू फाइंड ChatGPT नाउ? ChatGPT में सिर्फ चैट नहीं करना है. There are many other options that you can explore. Many things that you can do. You can build your apps. Next session we will explore more on this. Okay.